Alright, this is Olmec Reflections. We're in doing 4 small bathrooms, about 200 square feet of tile. We're looking to get all this muck out, so you can see it starting to turn darker and darker. So we're going to do, this is one right next door. And then we got 2 more down the hallway. We got some hoses, vacuum hoses stretched out. Which one in here? So we got this one already pre-treated. And then we'll do this one over here. We've got stuff over here ready to pre-treat it. So anyway, we're getting ready to start. We've got that one pre-treated. We're going to do this one here, and then we'll get some hoses stretched out, get some water in our machine, which we are using. We are using the Mighty M12, which is a dual purpose machine. It does carpet and it does also tileandgrout. So anyway, all right, we are done with the bathrooms. We're still a little damp. The grout lines are looking good. So we got this bathroom. This one. And then these last 2. These are the wood floors we're coming in to do next weekend, next Saturday. So this one's not been too long since it's been done, so the grout lines are real wet. So, and it had some tough spots on it. So, and then we got this one. I got the big old scrub brush on this one. Scrub. This one was probably the worst of all of them. So that's the 4 bathrooms. You got the bathrooms in your business and they need to be done. This is tile and grout here. We can come in and do that. We can also do that hardwood floor. Now it's all hazy and stuff. You see footprints in it. That is caused by improper use of cleaning products. I'm sad to say, but they need to measure it out so it's not leaving a residue or film on the thing. Anyway, tile floors, carpet. These are VCT floors right here. We can strip and wax those also. So you got them in the bathroom, obviously in a lunchroom or a kitchenette. We can take care of your floors, guys. Give us a call. Olmec Reflections. I am Don. Give us a call, 817-1700. That's area code 513. olmecreflections.com. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and anything else I forgot. So give us a call. We'll take care of you. Thanks.